Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clip on Discord. So first of all, let's go to user settings over here and then let's switch to clips. Over here at the top, make sure that you have enabled clipping. Make sure that this is enabled in order to allow yourself to capture clips. Below that you can also configure how long the clips should be. So by default it is 30 seconds, but you can also set it to 1 minute and 2 minutes. Below that you can also change the combination of keys that are used in order to capture the clip. Below that you have storage location, so over here you can decide where you want your clips to be saved. And two additional options, hardware acceleration and whether you want your voice to be recorded in clips or not. If you want to, you can of course enable or disable these options as well. After that, let's close this one. Let's start streaming, so let's share screen. I'm gonna choose this application as an example. And while starting the screen share, make sure that you have enable clipping enabled over here. And then we can go live. And now in order to make the clip, use the combination of keys that you need to use. So I'm gonna press Alt and C, which is of course the default setting. I'm gonna press it in order to make a clip. You will hear this sound once you make a clip. You will also see this pop-up over here that you have captured clip. And you can click view clips or stop reminders if you don't want to be bothered with them. So I'm gonna press view clips. And here you will see all your clips where you can do some changes. Well, you can, for instance, delete the whole clip. You can even edit it, or you can share it if you want to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.